Hey guys, so this video is going to be, just sitting here at my work table inside the house, as you can see. And I kind of want to talk about clothing real quick. Clothing is kind of important, unless you're in a nudist colony, then it's probably the least important thing on your list. Anyway, talking about that, let's talk about Duluth Trading. So right over here, I have some Duluth Trading pants, which is being framed very well by some other toys that I have, which we'll be talking about here in just a second. But I have a pair of their jeans that I'm wearing actually right now, two cargo fire hose pants, and then I picked up these two jeans. One's the Flex, and then I forgot what the other one is. I think it's the Relax Fit, something like that. I'm kind of bad with names, I just kind of like the way they felt. And then I also have a pair of sneakers, and my girlfriend has some of their clothing as well. When they talk about their no bullshit warranty, they literally mean no bull warranty. It's really awesome. Their clothing is a little on the pricey side, but I think the quality that you're getting, it's worth it. So if you haven't bought any of their stuff, I think it's kind of worth looking into. Especially for work clothing. If you're around trucks, you're gonna rip your clothes. It's gonna happen. Okay, so let me throw these off to the side. And no, I'm not paid to advertise this stuff or anything. I personally like the brand. So I'll throw them on a chair that you can't see in the background. All right. So let's talk about gun safety real quick as we scroll down right about here. Whenever you're working around firearms, you want to make sure that there's no live ammunition, which you can see is right there. So we'll get these out of the picture here pretty quick. This is my EDC. It's loaded with Hornady Critical Defense. I don't carry the P+ loads. We'll talk about ballistics in a different video. I actually know a lot about ballistics. It's something that I find very, very interesting. I like the science of it, I guess. So we're just gonna move these out of the way. This is just standard FMJ ball ammo, good for target practice and whatnot. And then right here is AR15 loaded up with 223 steel casing. It's good throwaway ammo where you don't have to worry about picking up your brass. Now I did just order a bunch of ammunition, so me and my girlfriend we're gonna go shooting here pretty soon, and you guys get to come along. Which is why I pulled out a lot of my rifles, one shotgun, and we're going to do some cleaning, some other stuff. I don't think I'm going to record the cleaning though. The YouTube firearm policies is very finicky, but I might do that. I don't know, but not in this video. And then this is the AR-10. It is not loaded, but we're going to go ahead and remove this from the picture so that there's absolutely no possible errors or mistakes that a loaded piece of ammunition can get into it and somehow get into the gun. Even though I don't have any 308 in this picture at all. But still, you want to remove it from the picture, ideally. Mistakes are called mistakes for a reason. So, excuse me, kind of working from from the bottom and all the way up. This is a Beretta M9 A1. This is what I EDC all the time. Very typical gun. Most people know what this looks like in movies, and doesn't know actually what it's called. It's called a Beretta. Now, it's all aluminum. It's 9mm, and there's a reason why I carry 9mm. I will do a 9mm, 40, 45, 10mm debate. Not on this one. Different video, another time, where I'm actually going to have facts and things to put in there. Now, as you can see, as I'm holding this, I don't have my finger in the trigger at all. Never have your finger in the trigger, because your finger is your one true safety. Even if the firearm has a thumb safety or other safeties, don't ever rely on them. Your finger is the safety. So we'll go ahead and lock that back open. And this is a really fun firearm to shoot. This right here is the big Bat AR15. If you're not familiar with this firearm or firearms in general, this would be what everybody likes to call the assault rifle or that's what they think AR stands for, assault rifle. It actually stands for Armalite. Armalite 15 is the model number of Armalite, so AR-15. This shoots 5.56 or 2.23. I do have a few little add-ons with this that can allow it to do a few other things. We'll talk about those when we get out to the gun range and other future videos that I'm planning on. Especially if this content or this video is really liked, so hit the thumbs up if you guys like it, and I'll do more videos like these. This is a AR-10. This shoots 308. I built this gun, and it's a really nice firearm. I might show the build list on it. I'm not sure if that's within the YouTube policies or not. Something I have to look into. Again, YouTube's policies on firearms is very, very picky. But you can see I do have the actions block back on all these firearms so that they're, of course, empty. And then right here is a standard 12 gauge shotgun. It's a Maverick 88. I got this used in actually a really good deal. It's a slight blemish right here, so I don't know if I'm going to refinish this or not, because that has absolutely zero effects, or I might just do a touch up. I really haven't worried about it. It's aluminum. But yeah, it's a standard 12 gauge shotgun, short barrel. And then this one over here, let me just go ahead and move that one out of the way. And the one that we haven't talked about yet, as my shotgun tries to run away. This is a 308 Remington 700. Now, what a lot of people like to try to say is that this AR-15 is worse or is more powerful to this 308. Vastly incorrect. Now, all rifles are, big bad, firearms. More so than a handgun. But that's actually getting quite into ballistics. I'll have a whole video kind of talking between pistols versus rifles and velocities and ballistic coefficiencies and a lot of words that some of you guys may know or may not know. I find the whole science behind ballistics very, very interesting, and something I've done a lot of research on. Now, for the cute of you guys can tell, this firearm right here is actually really, really quite dirty. And like I said, with me and my girlfriend gonna go shooting soon, I'm gonna be getting this cleaned up. As you can see, I already got my cleaning case out, and I decided to kind of throw this video together real quick. And of course, I got the bolt back, as you can see, and there's no ammunition in that one either. So yeah, if you guys like this kind of content, I know my YouTube channel is mostly about trucking with a little bit of silver, unless you go back to my really old videos. I think I do have a one firearm video talking about a rifle that's not even here, and this pistol. But I'm not sure. Oh, I think I have one on this one too, this VTR. I'm not sure. But if you guys would like to see more firearm videos from me, let me know down in the comment section, or thumbs up. And the shotgun just ran away. Didn't shoot anybody though. It's a good shotgun, very good shotgun. And my girlfriend doesn't even see the face I'm making. She said I'm stupid.
You're gonna delete that.
No, I'm not. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed that that blooper. All the way, right? Okay, well, anyway, like I said, post down below. Let me know what you guys think. And I probably have a lot more content around firearms coming out. And hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching.